Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Dexta Daps hits #1 on Apple Music Reggae charts on January 14 with his highly anticipated studio album, Trilogy. On Friday, the rhythm and dancehall singer celebrated the release of the album and also his 38th birthday at the Rock Hotel in Kingston. The release party saw numerous industry players elegantly dressed, showing their love and support for the artist as he continues to leave his mark on dancehall. Ibrahim spoke with Elaine, who has a collab on the album.
The song that I collaborate with Dexta on is called Sitya. And I saw it go, but I saw it name. And it is absolutely a joy working with Dexta. Every time I've worked with him, he's super talented. There is no box that you can put him in. And I think it was important that he said that a while ago. You know, he's like, listen, I have very many sides to my artistry. And this album shows it. So I'm excited for the world to hear it, excited to be on it.
The Dapper Don shared that he is grateful for all the support from fans and the media fraternity.
Jamaica want another trilogy? Because we just double up, you know. I don't know what Jamaica expects from me, but I know what I'm going to give them. I'm going to give them a hot fire. I'm going to be doing some videos for the same Trilogy album. It's just promotion, backup promotion right now for the rest of 2024, you know? So just look for nothing but greatness.
Dexta also mentioned the ongoing clash between Steph London and Jada Kingdom, suggesting that they should make amends and collaborate.
I think those two beautiful ladies are so talented, and it's amazing to watch them shine in different ways. But with the beef, man, just do a song together, to my knowledge, and I'll make it work, you know what I mean? I love them.
Boy Goes Continental. The trending dancehall singer has been praised for his global hit single Continent, which has received over 1 million views on YouTube in 8 days. In an interview with The Gleaner, the visually impaired singer, who is also a law student, credits Grammy icons Shabba Ranks and Beenie Man for inspiring the song choice. Just a reminder, he was making reference to Trilogy by Shabba and of course Beenie Man singing Having Whole Heap of Girls in a Bongo. He also credits producer Russian for his musical wizardry and professionalism. Boy's popularity has increased since the release of Continent, and according to the artist, this hit song has led to a quadruple increase in live performances and dub plays. He expressed gratitude for the recognition and plans to leave a lasting mark wherever he goes. That's what I'm talking about. Now, Oppenheimer dominates at Critics' Choice Awards. Christopher Nolan's drama continues its award ascent just days after copping the most awards in the film category at the Golden Globes. The film snagged 8 awards last evening, taking the win for Best Picture, Best Acting Ensemble, Best Cinematography, Best Editing, Best Visual Effects, and Best Score. Christopher Nolan picked up the award for Best Director, while Robert Downey Jr. won for the Best Supporting Actor for his role as Atomic Energy Commission member Louis Strauss. Now, Greta Gerwig's film Barbie came in second, copping 6 trophies for Best Comedy, Best Original Screenplay, Best Song for I'm Just Ken, Best Production Design, Best Costume Design, and Best Hair and Makeup. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.